In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a shareable invoice link in Xero. This quick process lets you create a secure link to an online version of your invoice so you can send it instantly without downloading or attaching a file. It's perfect for email, chat, or any messaging platform your customer uses. Start by logging in to your Xero account and landing on the dashboard. From there, look toward the top menu and click Sales. This takes you to the sales area where all your sales documents live. Next, select Invoices to view your list of invoices, including drafts, awaiting payment, and paid items. Open the specific invoice you want to share. Take a moment to confirm the details are correct. Things like the customer, line items, amounts, and dates. It's always easier to make edits now than after you've sent the link. With the invoice open, look for the More Options menu, which appears as 3 dots. Click those 3 dots to reveal extra actions for this invoice. From the list, choose Get Link. Xero will generate a unique, shareable URL that points directly to this invoice's online view. Give it a second to finish generating. Once the link appears, copy it. You can use the copy button if one is provided, or highlight the URL and use your usual copy shortcut. This link is tied to the invoice in Xero, so if you later update amounts or descriptions in Save, your customer will see the current version when they open the link. Now you're ready to send it to your customer. Paste the link into an email, a message, or a chat thread, wherever you normally communicate. Add a short note that includes the invoice number, due date, and any helpful context, so your customer knows exactly what they're looking at. Because this is an online invoice, it's easy for them to open on any device, and it keeps everything clear and streamlined. A couple of quick tips to keep things smooth. Before sharing, verify the invoice status is what you intend, especially if you're working from a draft. If you don't see the Get Link option, you may need the right permissions in Xero, so check with your organization's Xero administrator. And remember, links are convenient. Share them only with the intended recipient. That's it. By following these steps, you can generate a shareable invoice link in Xero and send it in seconds, speeding up communication and helping you get paid faster.